What's up everybody? I'm Catherine, your travel bestie. I'm here today to get ready in this makeup look while we talk about winter travel tips. So if you're interested in that, I would appreciate you staying tuned.
Little bit of paradise on earth, gotta get there first, can I go with you?
Hey everybody, so I have my makeup bag here. And if you can't tell, I'm at my desk in my office. So if you see me looking over here, it's because I'm using my computer as my mirror. So I think my number one tip for winter travel is don't wait till the summer to plan it. You are gonna have far more availability on the dates that you want if you go ahead and book, like say you wanna go on a trip over New Year's. You're gonna have far more availability for both activities and for resorts, and you're also gonna have better pricing for those resorts if you were to book in January, February, or March than you will if you book in like August or September. Book your package now, like book your flights and everything, but be prepared for delays. They suck for everybody, but be prepared, and that's part of my job as a travel agent, is to help you navigate when those delays happen, and also to help advocate for you with the airline on your behalf so that you don't have to spend hours on hold. Also, side note, this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. I bought it and I thought it was foundation, and so the first time I used it, I looked like a glazed donut, and I called my mom and I was like, I think I just wasted 15 bucks on foundation. And then she was like, well, YouTube it. I was not using it correctly. I actually just had clients travel from Florida up to Stowe over New Year's. They had a blast. But another kind of weather to be concerned about is if it is going to be too warm for some of your activities. Like that there is a chance that might happen. So just be prepared, and we'll come up with backup ideas for you for if that were to happen, because I want you to have a great vacation regardless of what the weather is doing. And if you're like those clients or like myself and traveling from a warmer weather climate to a much colder climate, I would definitely recommend renting the bulk of your like outerwear. It's so bulky. It takes up so much space and weight in your suitcase. So I would definitely recommend renting that, and I can also help you find the right places for that, not only for like your ski gear, but also just for like snow pants or a winter coat. Definitely take a jacket with you, but I would definitely rent those clothes. And with that being said, definitely make sure that whatever you wear on the plane, you take a couple of extra layers in your carry-on. So like, say you're just wearing a hoodie and a t-shirt, take a thermal top with you in your carry-on to throw on before you leave the airport, because especially if you're like me and you're from a warmer climate and you're going somewhere cold, it's going to feel even colder than it was when you're flying directly in. Now, if you want to pack like a bunch of sweaters or anything like that, while you do have to keep the weight of your luggage in mind, I definitely recommend getting compression packing cubes. I don't personally have any, but I have quite a few friends who do, and they love them. They swear by them. So I highly recommend using them. Now, if you're like me and you don't really want to travel to a cold weather climate, book even earlier than folks do for their ski trips. Like I would recommend booking in the next 6 weeks probably for, I would recommend probably booking in the next 6 weeks to ensure availability wherever you want. I would personally probably recommend an all-inclusive resort, or if you're a group with no one under the age of 18, I would recommend a Virgin Voyages cruise. They're actually one of my agency's preferred partners for this month, and we love them. They are amazing. At Cupcake Castle's travel company, love Virgin Voyages for all adult travel. They really have a lot of unique onboard activities. They have like private karaoke rooms. Like most cruise ships, they have a spa. And they have over 20 dining options on board, and they don't have a single buffet. Not a single buffet to be found on their ships, which is pretty awesome. And if you want warm weather, they have a private beach club at Bimini in the Bahamas that really gives you a unique blend of being relaxed and also having fun. It's really great for couples looking for a romantic getaway, or I recommend it all the time for girls' trips and bachelorette trips. I haven't had any bachelor trips want to go, but I think they would enjoy it quite a bit too. And we have some exclusive deals when you book through Cupcake Castle's travel company. So when you book through me, you can get 80% off of your second sailor, up to $300 in free drinks. So they call their free drinks the bar tab. You can use that on board or at the beach club. You'll get $100 in bonus sailor loot, which is onboard credit that can be used anywhere on the ship. So you can use it for like a spa treatment. You can use it for more alcohol if you want. You can use it for souvenirs. They also have all-inclusive pricing. So like they don't charge extra for Wi-Fi or gratuities or any of their dining, and all of your entertainment is included. The only thing that they would charge beyond the typical price for would be like alcohol. So that's a great idea for some winter travel. If you're looking for something different for winter travel, I would definitely recommend Lapland, Finland, where you can ride reindeer sleighs at Santa's Village. Like, talk about winter magic. But I think that my biggest travel tip, regardless of when you're going, is remember that when you book with me, I'm in your corner. I'm going to vouch for you. I'm going to go to battle for you to make sure that your vacation is everything that you want and deserve. And number 2 is that it's all about the memories that you make with your family and your friends. And not everything is going to go perfectly. So like those ski clients that I had go to Vermont, a couple of their activities were either canceled or moved because the weather got above freezing, and so they couldn't do it. Like they couldn't go snow tubing because they need a certain type of snow and a certain amount of that snow on the ground. But we were able to find an alternative for them, and they say they had a wonderful time. So like, while it is great to plan your travel, also remember that it's about the memories and be loosey-goosey if things start to go wrong. A little bit of a wrap up. Book early for savings and the maximum availability. Prepare for weather delays and itinerary changes due to weather. And stay cozy in transit, stay cozy in your room. Definitely take a page out of my book and travel with a blanket. Honestly, like I can't sleep without one of my blankets from home. So we always take a blanket out of town with us, and it has served me quite well. If you don't already have one, hi, I'm Catherine. I would absolutely love to work with you to book your dream vacations and help you make memories with your family. While I have you here and I have your attention, if you guys would pop over to my Facebook and my Instagram, they are both at CCTC Catherine. You can follow me there for exciting updates, preferred partner information. So like this month, we're using Virgin Voyages as a preferred partner. And also just I share travel tips and tricks and content. I also share like idea itineraries. So if you want to go on a vacation but you don't want to know where, check out my pages because you might find some really great ideas. If you have stuck with me this far, I appreciate you. And comment below your dream winter escape. I know that portion of my itinerary for my dream winter escape is to go to Bruges, Belgium, and see their Christmas village. I saw it on a vlog a few years ago and pretty much have not stopped thinking about it. If you're one of my honeymoon couples, or if you're one of my wedding couples and you want to go on like a ski trip with your girls or just to like a cabin or something for your bachelor or bachelorette trip, or if you're ready to plan your honeymoon, definitely do so sooner rather than later. The winter blues really spark everyone's travel bug. Thank you so much for watching. If you've stuck with me, I will be back here on Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern. I'm so excited to talk more travel with you guys. If you have any questions about my services, check the description box or comment them below. I have a lot more information on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my website. And if you're interested in booking a consultation, let me know that as well. I have all of that information in the description. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.